Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this video. And in the last video, we have discussed about the case statements. So we have considered some questions to understand how case statements can be used in the select statement and in the order by clause. And in this video, we will try to understand that how case statements can be used. Nested case statements can be used, right? So we will discuss about nested case statements. So we are going to use the same table that we created in the last video. So we are going to use the products table, and this table resides in sales database. So I will simply copy this statement in line 3, and I will click on new query, and it will open a new query window for us. And I'll press enter 2-3 times, and it brings us to line number 3, Control V, and let's execute this statement to see the table that we have. So I'll select this statement and I'll simply execute it. So this is the table that we have. Now let's say there's a requirement that is given to you, and as a part of the requirement, you have to add a new column to this data set. And you need to add that new column in such a way so that each product will be grouped based on two columns, that is category column and price column. And the new group that is going to be created will be having different values, different categorizations, such as affordable electronics, premium electronics, affordable furniture, premium furniture, and affordable accessories and premium accessories, right? So we want to group each one of the product in different categories based on the category and price column. So I will write the question. So we need to group the data based on columns, category, and price into different categories. Affordable, that is affordable, and we have premium. So I will now write the select statement to achieve this. So press enter and come to the next line, scroll down, and now let's write select star from products. Now I will go back, and just before the from keyword, I'll press enter, and then I will go in line 5, and just before the star, I'll press enter, and now after the star, comma, press enter and come to next line. So we are now at line number 7. Now we will write case statement. So we will write case, press enter, press tab key, and now start writing the next case statement, which will lie inside this case statement. So we can write when category is equal to, let's say, electronics, copy it and paste it here. So when category is equal to electronics, then, so we are not writing anything after then, but we are starting a new case statement after then. So that's why this will be an example of nested case statements, because we will be using case statements inside the case statements. So when category is equal to electronics, then press enter, press tab key, then it should check for price. So case when price is greater than equal to, let's say, 300, then we will place it in the category inside the single quotes. You can write premium electronics, else we will place them in the category affordable electronics. And then we have to end each case statement, so we will use end keyword. So this case statement is now closed. Now again, I'll press enter. Let's talk about the new category, backspace. Now write next when condition. So we can write when category is equal to furniture, then, and after this, then we will start one more case statement. Press enter, press tab key, and now write case when price is, let's say, greater than equal to maybe 250. Then in the single quotes, let's place it under the category premium furniture. Press enter, else place it under the category affordable furniture. I have taken any random amounts. You can choose amounts as per your convenience. Now press enter and end this case statement, which is highlighted in blue. So in order to end this statement, we will have to write end, end. Now press enter, backspace, and backspace again. Now Control R. The case is that we only have 3 different categories. So the very first is electronics, second one is furniture, and the last one remains. So for this case statement, which started from line number 7, we can now use the else condition. So I will write in line number 16 else. Then again, press enter, press tab key once again, and now write the case statement inside of else. So we can write case when case when price. Because category, if it comes to else, it is understood that the category is already accessories, because that's the remaining category. So case when price is, let's say, greater than equal to 25, then we can place them in category premium accessories. Enter, else place the products in the category affordable accessories. Press enter, and now we need to end this case statement. Each case statement has to be ended. So we can write end, end. And now we were able to end this case statement as well. Now we need to end this case statement, which is started from line 7. So again, after writing this end, I'll press enter, backspace, backspace, and now I will write end. So now we ended all the case statements. But now we will have to provide an alias name to this new column that is going to be added. You can either provide an alias name or you may leave it, but we will provide a name, right? Else no column name will be written there at the top in the place of column name. So after this end, we can use as keyword, and then in these square brackets, we can write the name. So let's write the name of the new column as group. Maybe we can write groups. So these are the different groups. If I will now select the statement written from line 5 to line 21, if I select it and if I'll execute it, you will see that a new column by the name groups is added, and it categorized various products into different categories such as premium electronics, affordable electronics, premium furniture, affordable furniture, and premium accessories, affordable accessories, depending upon 2 columns, that is category column and price column. So first it checks for the category and then it checks for the price. First it checks for the category and then it checks for the price. Again, here as well, for the remaining category, it checks for the price. So this is how the nested case statements can be used, and you can certainly expect questions from this topic, right? We can write this SQL code in one more way without using this else. So let's take the example to understand that. So Control R, and I will copy this piece of code. Control C, press enter. Let's write test here in line 24. Press enter, come to next line, scroll down, and simply Control V. And now I do not want to write this else here. So in place of else, we can remove this else and we can write when category in, and in the parentheses, we can simply write in the single quotes accessories. So Control R, accessories, copy the name from here, copy it, Control R, paste it here. So case when category in accessories, then this has to be the case. And we can write the statement in this way as well, because we have only three distinct categories, so else will not be needed. In this case, if we will write in this way. So this is when, then, when category furniture, then this, when category in accessories, then this. If we will now execute the select statement written from line 26 to 42, if we'll select it and if we will execute it, it's going to give us the same output as the previous statement. So I hope this video was helpful in explaining it to you that how nested case statements can be written. And this is a topic from which you can certainly expect questions in interviews. And this is something that we use time and again in industry, in day-to-day life. This is case statements are used like on day-to-day basis. So you should have a good understanding of these case statements. I hope this video was helpful. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.